Yeah, it is raining at the moment. We're still between Napier and Taupo. So we are heading towards Taupo, but as you can see, it's raining, very wet. The road is very slippery, so you've got to be very careful when you're driving in this sort of conditions, and make sure that your travel company doesn't fall asleep, like this guy here. And make sure that you don't fall asleep yourself, and you got to be very drive very safe, very carefully. So there you go. It's quite dangerous conditions to drive. Very slippery, very slippery. I am going at 100 kilometers an hour, you know, and even that's very fast in this sort of conditions. You see the truck there? Whoa. Yeah, my companion here is tired. He's been driving all day yesterday, so it's probably why he's so tired. Man, you gotta drive very, very careful in this sort of conditions, especially in these areas. There's a lot of people have died in accidents between here and Napier. You can see that truck coming. I mean, those trucks, man, I don't know how they drive so fast in these sort of conditions. I can never catch up with a truck. Seriously, you know, I'd rather be safe than be dead. So, our family's back home waiting for me, so got to make sure that me and my son get home safely. And without a doubt, God is protecting us, all of us on the road. Another truck. So in these sort of conditions, you must, you know, it's always best to have your lights on, so that you'll easily be identified or visible to other drivers on the road. Man, this is a beautiful car to drive. This Camry, very, very nice car to drive. Very smooth. Man, you got to get your hands on one of these cars. Full leather. This car's just see a van going past here. A nice straight road here. You see that white strip in the middle of the road there? That's all water. So I'm trying to avoid it, you know, driving on that by. So we're about 20 meters from, 20 kilometers. Sorry, 10 kilometers. Well, we're about 10 kilometers from Napier. So we're almost from Taupo, sorry. So we're pretty close to Taupo at the moment. So I'd say another 10 minutes. Then we'll arrive to Napier, to Taupo. Gosh. So time now is, what's the time? Time now is almost 8 o'clock. So we should arrive to Auckland, say around about 11ish. Okay, so hopefully we'll get there before 12. So